In this video, I'm going to show you how to use and create keyframes in CapCut. So keyframes are super important as it means you can create things like animations and you can move objects on the screen. So to go and create your first keyframe, first drag your video footage into your timeline, then left click on your video footage and come over to video in the top right hand side. Now click on the basic tab and we can now create our first keyframe. So let's say for example, we wanted to create a zoom in effect on this video. Now we can do this by moving the playhead right to the beginning of the video like this and clicking on Add Keyframe. Now move the playhead to where you want this zoom in effect to begin. So let's say we want to zoom in at this point in the video, click on the Add Keyframe button once again. Now move the playhead once again to where you want the zoom in effect to end. So let's say we want to stop the video zooming in here. Well, we're going to click on the Add Keyframe button once again, and this time we're going to increase the scale to where we want this zoom in to end. So now if I go and play this back, you can see we've created this zoom in effect. If you need to adjust the length of the zoom, you can always drag and reposition these keyframes. You can also remove keyframes as well just by right clicking on them and selecting delete. Now, if you wanted to zoom back out after this last keyframe, then we can add a fourth keyframe by moving the playhead once again, click on the Add Keyframe button, and this time we're going to reduce the scale so we're now zooming out. And now if I go and play this back, you can see that it starts with the zoom in and then it eventually zooms out like so. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.